Hi guys, today I will introduce how to use Python to calculate summation in range 1 to 100. All of us know that if we want to calculate the sum of 1 to 100, we can add them step by step or use summation formula. While using Python code, computer can do this for you and it's super convenient to get the final result. Before we started writing the code, let's review the basic functions for this task. The functions we are gonna use for the task is for loop function. A for loop is a control flow statement for specifying iteration. Iteration is the repetition of a process in order to generate a sequence of outcomes. The sequence will approach some endpoint or end value. Each repetition of the process is a single iteration, and the outcome of each iteration is then the starting point of the next iteration. So let's start writing the code. Here is what I did. First, install Python 3.5.2. I already installed it here. This is a kind of program language that we are going to use for today's task. Also, install Atom, which it is used to edit the code. Then we're gonna open the Atom and create a new file. Now we are going to write the code. First of all, we should define a variable named sum. Actually, you can name it whatever you like. It's gonna be the result you want from the program. It is used to store the final result. Then do the for loop. Define a variable I. It also can be whatever names you like. Set the range from 1 to 101. The reason why it is 100 right here because range cannot count last numbers such as range 1 to 101. It will only calculate 1 to 100, exclude 101. Then we go to the iteration part. In iteration part, write sum equals sum plus I. I will change from 1 to 100, thus we can add number from 1 to 100 and store them in sum. Finally, print sum, which shows the result. Then store the code as .py type and name the code sum.py on the desktop. Finally, let's get our result. The result cannot show up directly by opening the file that I saved on the desktop, but we can use Windows command to call our Python and get our results. Using command in Windows, type cd desktop to set path to the desktop. CD here is like open. Then click the enter button. Then type python sum.py to call Python to run the result from the file sum.py on the desktop. Then tap enter, and here we go, the result, which is 5050. These are all the instructions I made for this video. I hope you enjoyed. Thank you.